It's official. I'm going to make your HELOC payment for you. Now, before you call that crazy, let's talk about why this matters. Most people hear the word HELOC, home equity line of credit, and then they hear the word investing in the same sentence, and they immediately think, okay, never mind, risk. And they're not wrong, because the second you tap your home equity line of credit and you create that payment, that becomes a financial burden that you've got to pay every single month, no matter what. But what if you could actually use that HELOC to buy an asset that pays you more than the HELOC actually costs by a lot? What if instead of your equity sitting in your walls doing absolutely nothing, it could actually go out and create monthly cash flow?
One shot, now the future is yours. Go!
In today's video, I'm going to show you how a HELOC can change your entire investment journey. I'm going to show you how it works, and then I'm going to show you how to buy real estate and set your payment up where your HELOC can be guaranteed covered. This whole game, by the way, is really simple. We use cheap money to buy cash flowing assets. We then use debt that costs one thing to buy something that pays us more. And that, my friend, is called arbitrage. And that's how you accelerate wealth creation. Now, if you do it wrong, it can absolutely hurt you. But if you do it right, your equity stops being dead weight and it starts actually becoming an income producing tool. And to help you follow along, I have created the most amazing infographic, kind of like a special report, that's going to illustrate everything I'm about to teach you in one single image. You can click the description below, get it for free. Step one, what is a HELOC? A HELOC is a home equity line of credit. It lets you basically borrow against the equity that you built in your house, like a revolving line of credit. Think of it like turning your equity into accessible credit, or almost like a credit card that's tied to the equity in your home. But since it's tied to the equity in your home, you don't have high interest rates like you would on a credit card. So for a lot of borrowers, it's a really great tool. But it is still borrowed money. So what you do with it, it matters. Now, most people, they use borrowed money for things that make them poorer, things that depreciate, things that go down in value, like cars and vacations, home improvements, and just random spending. And this is where debt becomes dangerous, because you're creating a payment, but you're not generating any new income to offset it. And that's really honestly a stupid way to use a HELOC. But if you use your HELOC to buy an income producing asset, now the math changes. You see, if the HELOC costs you, let's call it $400 or $500 a month, and you buy a piece of property with that money that ends up paying you like $1,000 a month, well, you can take that rent, pay the HELOC payment every month, and still have $500+ left over. Now your equity is doing a job for you that is making money for you, and it's an asset instead of funding consumption. And so the question is, what asset can produce enough monthly income to cover your payment or more? And that's where my real estate lease option comes in. Think of it kind of like a rental, but on a rent to own program that pays a premium in rent, not $200 or $300 a month, but like $1,000. This brings me to step two. What then is a lease option? Well, a rent to own or a lease with an option to buy, it's not a very well-known traditional strategy, but there are some key benefits that you want to know about. You see, in the traditional rental game, the tenant sees the situation as temporary. So basically they come and go, they're transitory. But if the person renting basically says, I actually think in the next couple of years, I'm going to buy this house, that's a totally different buyer's mindset. And all of a sudden, they're not just throwing their rent money away, they're putting their money towards something that they'll eventually own. And that means that they're going to take care of the house and they're going to fix it up. And it's a different mindset. Now, this means that you can charge more than you can with rent, because just like buying a home with the bank, a lease option also has an upfront down payment. It's usually $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. That is money that gets placed immediately in your pocket when you do this, on top of the rent premiums. So when you start adding it all up, it's like, oh, I'll have no problem paying my HELOC. And by the way, I've done this not a few times over the last 25 years. I've transacted thousands of properties and I've done so many lease options. This isn't theory. This is proof. Now, you still have to find the right kind of buyer. You still need to know how to structure the agreement so that you have protection, or you got to know someone like me that'll just do all that for you. I teach all of this, and on my YouTube channel, you can find dozens of videos where I go through it or give you access to my book for free, so that if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you can rock it out, or work with someone like me that'll just do it for you. And this brings us to the third step. I call it the HELOC Backstop program. This is not just about getting into real estate. It's about getting into a better real estate model, a superior way. I am not buying properties the way most investors do, where they buy the home, they cross their fingers, and they hope it all kind of works out. Meanwhile, they're surviving on the repairs and the vacancies and tough, slim margins. I'm using a lease option strategy that I've been talking about here, where it's designed to create way stronger cash flow, better resident commitment, and more profit built into the deal from the start. And honestly, there is a steep learning curve if you've never done it before, but it can be done. Now, when you come and do real estate with me, I give you access to my HELOC Backstop program. The cash flow from the home, it's going to cover the cost of your HELOC first before we split any revenue. But here's the backstop. Before anyone talks about profit sharing, before anyone talks about upside, that property is designed to ultimately give off enough money, spin off enough money to cover that HELOC. But until it's rented out and until it's doing that, I'm covering that payment for you, guaranteed. And that's one of the benefits of partnering with me on my entire system, because this HELOC, it's not just hanging out there as a liability. I've now helped you convert it into a reliable asset. So can you make money with a HELOC? Yes, but not just because it's magical. You make money when you use that HELOC to buy an asset that pays more than the HELOC costs. And that's the core principle in today's video. And if you take trapped equity and you deploy it into the right kind of properties with the right kind of structure for stronger cash flow like a lease option, and you pair it with this backstop program, this guarantee on your payment, well, now you put yourself in a perfect position to win. Listen, most people leave their home equity sitting there for decades doing nothing, but smart investors, they ask a better question. How do I put this to work to build a residual income? Drop a comment if you want to learn more, or reach out to me if you want to see if the HELOC-backed real estate strategy makes sense for your situation. You'll find it all in a link below.